Thank you, John. So this is our demonstration website. We are going to go through a couple steps of what John just said here, a couple of features. We will start logging in. We have here login with Facebook, but we also support a variety of the major social networks such as Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. We also, from the login, my backend is going to be capturing my social profile, studying it, and finding out my preferences, so it can personalize the experiment on this web page. So imagine this as the web page from a business, from your business, or for an e-commerce site. So if I log in, my data is going to be captured, and another thing will happen. So this right here in the top right is what we call web push notification. This is a new technology that is available on Mac, Windows, and Android. It allows you to send the common user push notifications, but you no longer need to install an application from the business to do that. So it's very powerful, very personalizable using our data. So you see here there is my picture, also has my name in it, and it's a way for you to communicate with the customer, even if they close the website, if they don't have an application from you anymore. Also, what happened was my data was collected, so you see here my name, my email, my birthday, but also this is just a little bit what we're using. This is the whole what we actually capture. So besides the normal social profile fields such as birthday and relationship status, we also collect more complex information such as work history. So where I've worked before, and education history, where I studied. We also have all the pages I liked on Facebook are also here in this database, and it's all being sent at the same time on real time to Marketing Cloud. So my contact on Marketing Cloud is always updated. What I'm showing here is also what we call the data discovery. So it's this algorithm that is running through all this raw data. So I've liked thousands of pages on Facebook, and it's really hard to make conclusions out of that. So we created a tool that you can simply define what you're looking for, and the algorithm will take care of it for you. So in this case, I wanted to know what Ramon likes to read about, and it ranks everything based on my profile and finds out I like to read about movies, and it's correct. So it shows me here content based on my preferences on Facebook.
Okay.
We also have another channel that we integrate very easily into, that is Facebook Messenger. In this example, what I'm going to show you is a fictional coffee shop that you can walk in, and instead of talking to a waiter, instead of going straight to customer service, you might use the Messenger as a way to obtain your service. So you can have conversations with the bot. It uses rich media content, so you can ask for the menu and ask for coffee and have it served into your table. It also, as I started the conversation, it already knew who I am. So it knows all that profile data. It knows that I like to read about movies like I've showed before. It knows everything, every interaction I've done with the messenger. We will improve it using Watson technology. So, and we'll also take this data and send it back to Social ID, so we can improve the customer profile. So now it knows that I like espresso, and I take 15 seconds to make my choice. That might be important for marketing. With the next channel I'm going to show you is the Wi-Fi. So this is our free Wi-Fi capture portal solution. This is similar to what you've probably seen in airports or restaurants, where to access the internet you are requested to go through some steps. And what we do here is we integrate our solution with everything I've shown you so far. So you have the social login as a step for the user. So it's easier for the customer because they don't have to actually fill fields using the little keyboard in the smartphone. And it's also better for the business because we're capturing all this data, even if the customer is just trying to use the internet. And you also use the solution so you can target these users using advertisements that are based on their profiles, just like I've shown you in the first page. You can use that to personalize the engagement straight out of the portal before they're allowed to connect to the internet. And you can even tie in with the other features such as messages. So in this case, you access the coffee shop and you go in and you ask for the free Wi-Fi, and then you notice they tell you we have a messenger bot that you can start talking from right now. It already knows you, it already knows what you like. And finally, I want to show you these features from our omni-channel solution. So besides what we've already seen, that's the web push notification that I've talked to you about, there's one that shows up here. We also have the Facebook notification, which you can send personalized message directly to the customer's Facebook page, as it shows here and also here. You can personalize it with the link is personalized to the customer, the message is customized with my name. It's all a complete solution, a complete new channel that you can use for your business. And also integrate with email marketing systems such as IBM Marketing Cloud to send personalized emails. So in a couple seconds I will receive my email, and you can see it's also again very highly personalizable. It has my latest picture on Facebook, has my name. If I change my picture on Facebook, this picture will change inside the email. If you use my location, it will also all dynamic, all directly and easily usable. So how can we, what does this actually look like, and what